You won't believe the transformation that this house is about to go through. While I love a cozy, cute brick home, the brick isn't in the best shape and our house could use a nice little facelift, so I can't wait to see what this beautiful home is gonna look like with a nice little paint job. Our house is under this gorgeous maple, creating a lot of shade, so a nice bright white will lighten it up. Light paint will also soften the lines of this front porch, which feel a little harsh to me. To choose the right color, we looked at similar brick houses in our neighborhood, in magazines, on HGTV. My parents' house uses white, gray, and black to create a lovely contrast, so I pulled images together on my bulletin board and on my Pinterest board. We chose designer-friendly Chantilly lace by Benjamin Moore for the house. First, before anyone starts painting, you need to power wash your house. Painters can do that for you if you don't have one. As long as it gets clean, you are good to go. For any trouble spots like this peeling paint up here, you or your painters will prep the area by sanding the flaking paint off to have a smooth surface to add the fresh, new paint to. Once your house is clean and sanded smooth, it's ready for a coat of primer. Porous material like brick might need 2 coats of primer. So we're having our house painted. So far we just have like 1 coat of primer, and we want to pick a color for the trim of the windows, and we're looking at a light gray and a really dark charcoal gray. In order to make the right decision, we want to see it on the actual window to get a really good look at it. I'm going to paint 1 window here with the dark gray, 1 with a light, so that my husband and I can really like get a look of what it's going to look like. First I wiped down the primed trim and shook my samples up to prep the paint. I began painting, and my dad was right when he suggested painting the trim ahead of time in the 2 colors you're choosing between, because it really shows you what the colors will look like in real life. They just painted the floor, so we can't leave. That charcoal trim is being added and it looks really good. I love it. Almost there. The finishing touches being added. And voila! Chantilly lace does have a pretty face. Paint has totally transformed this brick house into our beautiful home. I absolutely love how this looks. You guys, I cannot believe the transformation that this house has just gone under. 1 coat of paint, okay, like 3, makes such a huge difference. It looks beautiful. I went under a little transformation myself with my hair. Let me know in the comments below what transformation you've been going through recently and what you think of the paint job. Be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to Mac for more content like this. We have so many awesome home projects coming. I have Halloween DIYs right around the corner that I've been working on just for you. I can't wait to share it with you. Thank you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.